Okay, good morning, guys. Already we discussed about the eutectic system and its classification. In the first classification, already we discussed that both these components are soluble in the liquid state. When we solidifies, then the two solids or the two components are insoluble in the solid state. Why we are doing the study of the phase diagram? In the previously I already discussed that, guys, actually we use the different components of alloy. So we are discussing about the phase diagram. That is the binary phase diagram. So under the binary phase diagram there are different systems. Already we discussed about the isomorphous system, then we are discussing the eutectic system. So now we will discuss about the eutectic system in the classification 2. In classification 2, as we discussed that the two solids or two components are completely soluble in the liquid state but partially soluble in the solid state. What does it means? As we are using the different alloy as per our requirement. So when we are taking two components and we want to make the alloy out of those two components, then what we will do, we will provide the heat above the melting temperature of the two components. When both the two solids or two components are completely soluble in the liquid state, then we solidified the liquid into the solid. So during the solidification, the temperature reduces from melting temperature to the room temperature. Actually, remember guys, it is not coming to zero, it is coming to the room temperature. Okay, so during the cooling process there are different microstructure which are developed. There are different phases which exist during in the system. Okay, so we are discussing about that. See, we have taken two components. Suppose we have taken component A here and we have component B. Okay, so as per the discussion, this is the percentage composition of the solid B. That means here solid B is 0 and gradually the percentage composition is increasing to 100%. So at the left side vertical it is 100% A, at the right side vertical it is 100% B. Now we are providing the melting temperature above the component A. Okay, that is A dash, and also we are providing the temperature above the melting temperature, that is B. So this is B dash. So what will happen, both the components are forming in the liquid state. So in the liquid state they are completely soluble. Now our aim is to form or to make the alloy from the two components. So we want to reduce the temperature from the melting temperature to the room temperature. Okay, so what will happen now, at a particular temperature, this horizontal line is known as the constant temperature line, and this temperature line is known as the eutectic temperature, and this point is the eutectic point. So at a particular temperature and a particular point, the liquid phase is directly converted to both the solid, that is solid alpha, and solid beta. We can say that alpha means that is A and beta means this is B. Okay, this is the combination or this is the alloy form of component A and B. So during the cooling process, what will happen now? This is the liquidous line. So what is the liquidous line? A dash E, B dash is the liquidous line. From the liquidous line or just below the liquidous line, solidification starts. So what will happen, we will see at a particular temperature or at a particular point, suppose the point C, what we will see in the phase diagram, we will see the a separate component or a separate solid is formed at the point C, and this alpha is we can say that this is A, component A. So this portion is 100% component A. As we know, this is the alloy of alpha or beta or A or plus B, but this is 100% A. This portion is the component A, maximum component A. Similarly, we will see during the cooling process at the point D or at a particular point, we will see there is another solid exists completely another solid, that is beta, or we can say that the solid B or the component B, and this is the mixture or the solution, solid solution of the alloy formed by the component A and B. Now this A dash, C, E, D, B dash is the solidus line. That means just under this line or this curve there is 100% solid. So this is the solidus line. So we have written here. Okay, so this is all about the eutectic system of the types 2, where both the components are soluble in the liquid state but in partially soluble in the liquid state. Partially soluble means, see, this is the solid phase, this is the solid phase, this is solid, this is solid, this is solid, and both these two regions are the liquid plus solid. As this portion is maximum alpha or maximum solid A, so here this is alpha plus liquid, or we can say that A plus liquid, and this region is maximum solid B, so we have written beta or alpha, or we can say B plus L, that is liquid. Okay, so we will see during the solidification there are two components separated from the alloy phase, that is component A and component B. Okay, so we can say that in the other words that both the components are partially or some portion is solidified or combined in the solid phase, in the solid state. Okay, so next part I will give you the example of lead and tin. This is the example of eutectic system, and both the components lead and tin are partially soluble in the liquid state. Okay.